Hello, I am Askari Abbas. I'm working in PwDs and for designing, and I'm also more girl and I'm some gap. When I was small, I got the guitar. That is how I become a gap and my work problem. And after another thing, for 15 years, I have not went to school for study or how to speak in English or mathematics or general knowledge. So after 15 years, my father was passed away. So I got to learn to take care of me, to take care of my mom, my younger sister. So I'm a responsibility. I remember when somebody is asking me, like, I like say, what is your name? What is your future? What is your career? So I feel like why they asking me? What is the question? I don't know. So it makes me very sad. That time only I learned to tackling career in future, take of me. Then I joined the Olin team for 16 plus. That time I started learning English, grammatical and use my verbal voice and read lipstick and tan language. So when I'm learning tan language, I open from 18 plus I improve myself. Then I compete, crack 10 and 12 from an hour. And then I have compete from college, from ILE, for BHT, animating and graphic design and multimedia. And then I have joined the PwT. I've been working there for 2.5 years. And also I'm more doing for part-time job. This is how I'm doing this.
Askari, could you share what kept you at home for 15 years before you joined the Oral School for Deaf Children at the age of 16?
When I was in regular tune, so everyone make me feel like I'm not in belong with them. First of all, they used to bully me, mock me, make fun of me the way I am. I can't blame them. It's not their fault. But I found out something picked me. I feel like it makes me very upset. They didn't take me as normal. So 15 years, I have no parents, I have no talking to anyone because nobody should talk to me except only my family. Only my family used to take care of me. But they just co-communicating. They have own to make me understand. They make me think. I used to talk with my family. Not I don't feel like to go to tune because I'm sick. I'm not that type of them. Then my father was passed away, and then I got somebody asking me what am I going, where I'm going, where my life is going there. And too many people say so I'm getting depressing. But it's good for me. It's good for me. And then I started join the Olympic for 15, 16. Then you will not believe this. I'm learning for at the age of 16 plus for any grammar. What I've previously I used to alphabet, but not the meaning. But now I'm taking the meaning. And then I would love to thank to my teacher from the coding tool. It's like my mother, and they never leave me. If I don't understand anything, they always make me understand for more than 20 times or thousands of the time. I will always forever grateful to coding tool for it. I used to Trinayani for a lecture, but after I complete the coding tool, everybody in India they learning for IIL, which means Indian Sign Language. So it's very complicated, so I'm used to it. But my prefer is the AXL. My communication I read by lipstick also, and I can hear, but you don't understand the sound. So after complete Act 12, then I used to go college and job. Too many people that don't know sign language. So once I taught them, they automatically it make me improve myself. The more I speak in, the more I hear the verbal voice. Most of the time I use the lipstick also. Secondly, I don't wear the really also. When I was after class 12, I started dropped it because it makes me annoyed too much get to my brain. But I can find one thing with my family telling me to wear machine. I know it's good for me, but I'm not comfortable. I can tell you one thing, there is a pity and empathy. One pity say, oh, you are deaf, you to be tag, you to wear the your way. To it, I'm getting upset. Not only me, for everyone also. It's like we are paying to wear this for better for communicating them. What about them? They to learn dynamic for me. That is not only for me. When I'm wearing this, I can speak better. It's not. This is how we are, the way our communicating. My language is just Tan language. I love Tan language. I don't want to speak in Hindi. So they too learn Tan language. Why? If they're telling me where the machine, then I should tell them you should learn Tan language. It's not. But good it's fun. And I started learning Hindi. And I love to learn explore more.